We are pleased to show you the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 Highway Mpg is not bad either, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, traction control, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, power door locks. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.